Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by selecting a reliable online OCR tool that can export to Word. Choose one that preserves layout. Once chosen, upload your image file, JPG, PNG, or PDF, then set the OCR language to match the text. Make sure to enable options like layout retention or searchable PDF when available, because these preserve columns and headings. After that, correct image orientation and crop unnecessary margins. This reduces recognition errors and speeds up the conversion process. Once the image uploads, run the OCR conversion and monitor progress. Larger files take longer. When the service shows a preview, compare it against the original image and fix misread characters, merged words, or broken lines. Make sure tables, lists, and headings are reconstructed. Some tools let you edit inline. If spacing or font issues appear, choose plain text export or keep layout to retain structure. After cleaning the preview, select Export as DocX or Save as Word document to continue. You finish by downloading the DocX and opening it in Word, inspect headings, paragraphs, and tables, then apply styles to make the document consistent. Use Find and Replace or Spell Check to fix recurring OCR errors and check images or footnotes for proper placement. Once done, save a copy as DocX and consider exporting a PDF for sharing. If the conversion quality is poor, retry with a higher resolution scan, change the OCR language, or try a different OCR service to resolve persistent errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.